Right, so this video will be quick. Just explain how I'm going to do my shower setup. You need a food grade water container. That one was $30. It's 22 litres. One of these 12 volt showers. So it's just small submersible pump, shower head, and the 12 volt plug with a switch. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill a hole in top of the lid. I'm going to measure this hose, try and get it about the right sort of thickness for the hole, and then I will drop the pump inside the container. So I'm going to start by just drilling a small pilot hole in the lid. Just any sort of small size drill bit will be good for this. So for mine I'm going to use a 22mm hole saw bit. So that's the hole drilled. I'm then going to disconnect the cable and hose and thread it through the hole on the lid. So I've taken the switch apart and just cut this cable. Obviously it's a very basic 12 volt setup, so I've just cut that so I can slide the lid over the cable and then I'll connect it back up. So once I've threaded the lid over the hose and cable, I can then drop the pump inside with the water tank. Just make sure that's right at the bottom and then tighten the lid up. So the next step will be to join the cables back together. That's the original switch. I am going to make my own switch so I can mount it on the side. These are from Jaycar, cost maybe $5 or $6 for both. So I've also added this gland on the lid just to make it watertight and so the cables are a bit tighter. I've wired the switch in, a little test run. You can hear that working. And then I'm just going to tidy the wiring up so that it can slide with my fridge slide. So this is almost finished. So I've mounted the water container on the back of my fridge slide and I've put the switch just there. So you can just flick it on, grab the shower head, and there we go. And then it all just slides back in that way, and you can see the switch, it's there. And then you have access to the container there, and the shower head just tucked under the lid. So I'll just show you roughly how it works, hopefully the camera can see. So I can slide the whole thing out, like so. That's just there, and then the switch is there, and that's it.